Today we're going to demonstrate how to level your TestMaster testing screen. The Gilson TestMaster testing screen delivers accurate particle size separations on large samples, and the internal rotating counterweights of the TestMaster drive system equalizes the vertical screening action for a smooth operation. For proper operation of the TestMaster testing screen, it is important that the unit be leveled in the location of operation. First, unplug the unit from the power source. Then, unplug the power cord from the unit. The TestMaster rests on 3 leveling feet, one at each front corner and one at the center back. Place a screen tray into the second slot from the top position. Leave this tray extended about 4 inches from the front of the machine. No other screen trays or pans should be in the unit. Pump the foot pedal until the screen tray is firmly clamped into the unit. Place a level across the extended tray, resting it on the tray's flanges. Adjust the 3 leveling feet until the TestMaster is level both side to side and front to back. Whenever possible, adjust by lowering the highest foot so that the TestMaster stays as close to the floor as possible. When you have leveled the TestMaster in both directions, tighten the locking nuts on all 3 feet. Push the foot pedal to the floor to release the clamping pressure so the separator is fully extended. Push the screen trays into the screen tray separator assembly. The TestMaster testing screen is now ready for operation. For any questions concerning the Gilson TestMaster or for any Gilson product, please contact the Gilson Technical Support Team.